Yeah, we can see now.
Okay. Now this answer we have to give as a combined team because this will decide the next way forward, what is required further.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second question, had any new or additional MH? No. Answer is no.
So I might have identified. I might have identified, but
No.
not
Construction MH. So no. The project is I can say construction.
identified. No process related MH identified.
But there is no process at all.
No, there was no process MH
Yeah.
because the construction is there, but no process MH because once you feel process MH, because we have MH, we
Yeah.
have 4 plus,
Yeah.
right?
No process related MH identified.
See, MH, just who is the people who is not there. MH is like any incident which can kill at least 1%.
Yeah.
Okay, so severity is 4 plus. So that is called MH. We have some MH which
Yeah,
is
in construction phase, yeah.
where we can kill the person. But this is related to construction, not related to process.
Yeah. Have any new?
If you see here, then we have to do this many activities. See, process safety, COMA report, QRA, OHID, HCS register. You can go to look all these things, but
Yeah.
we are not having.
Okay. So this is also the same thing. So I would put the same.
Yeah.
I will just minimize it so that we see. Or you would read it, right? You okay now?
Yeah.
Yeah, one page is okay.
Okay, guys. So we'll put the same thing. Is there any specific location specific MH? No. Because this is a construction project. Are there any hydrocarbon node?
If you see the second line, demonstrate control of non-process safety hazard to HSCMS. So you have to cover through HSC procedures. See, when you say HSCMS, we like drug HSCMS procedures, how or you have the traffic management plan and so on, like you have 10 golden rules, right?
Yes.
So based on that, you have to manage your accident.
Yes. And you have to put in the HSC plan somewhere.
Yeah, you have to put HSC plan or HSC procedures, investment plan, this all covered in the HSCMS. So you have to cover your accident through this.
Yeah. Is there any hydrocarbon? The answer is no.
No, you can say the project is related to civil work.
Yeah. Sure.
The project is
The project,
civil
your
construction.
project is specific
Specific.
to SPCI,
Okay.
FIC, right? Specific to
Civil
sure.
construction.
Civil construction activity.
Okay.